Welcome to the Crypto Winners. Today, there will be two stories that are linked and talk about the huge amounts of money that whales have put into XRP. I'll read them first and then respond on both of them at the same time. Here's a look at the market at the end of the movie. Now let's begin. BCBS data shows that banks around the world have committed $2.5 million to XRP. Many banks in Europe, North America, and other places have confirmed that they have interests in XRP. The Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, BCBS, has said that it has been doing a number of different types of oversight work in reaction to the rise of virtual assets over the years. The BCBS group gathered a lot of information about the crypto assets that banks owned, including details about each one. 19 banks shared information about the crypto assets they had invested in. 13 of the banks were from North America, 7 were from Europe, and the other 2 were from other places. Being open to XRP and other cryptocurrencies. The story says that the bank's joint disclosures showed that they had crypto exposures worth 9.4 billion euros, or $10.27 billion. In addition, the results showed that XRP was the third most important altcoin for which the 19 banks made firm promises. In particular, XRP made up 2% of the total stake, which was $9.4 billion. That's the same as holding 188 million euros, $205 million, worth of XRP. Cardano, DOT, Solana, Stellar, and Litecoin are some of the other notable coins in the list of the top 20 reported crypto assets by exposure. The study also said that most banks focus their investments on Bitcoin and Ethereum. These two assets made up 31% and 22% of the $9.4 billion, respectively. When it comes to investment tools that track BTC and ETH. In that order, they make up 25% and 10%. Disclaimer from BCBS: since the report was the first time the new form was used to collect data, BCBS made it clear that the results could be biased and have problems with the quality of the data. It also said that it wasn't clear if some banks may have reported their crypto risks too little or too much. Because of this, BCBS said that the results give a picture of the member banks. When looking at crypto action, they should be taken with some salt. It's important to note that the BCBS study used information that banks sent in 2021. BCBS also said that the 19 banks it was watching only made up a small part of the large group of 182 banks it looked at as part of its monitoring process. They only made up 17.1% of the total risk-weighted assets, RWA, and 20.9% of the overall leverage ratio exposure measure. The vast majority of these percentages, or about 3/4, are due to banks from North America. Next, here is how much XRP bid buyers bought in just 1 week. Significant investors, or whales, are buying more XRP because they think there will be a bull run in the price soon. This smart move comes at the same time that XRP has been in the consolidation zone for a long time and hasn't been able to perform as well as other digital assets like Solana and Cardano. How many XRP coins did whales get this week? In a recent tweet, famous market chartist Ali Martinez talked about how whales have been buying a lot of XRP coins over the past week. The information Martinez gave about the XRP whale accumulation was backed up by on-chain data from Sentiment, a well-known market intelligence tool. XRP whales bought about 360 million XRP between December 14 and December 22, according to the report. The amount of money spent on the shopping trip was about $223 million. In particular, these whales are investors who usually have between 10 and 100 million XRP. The picture that went with Martinez's tweet shows that this new trend to buy more XRP has not been seen in 3 months. Previous things whales did in September, when the price of XRP was less than 0.5. The actions of these XRP whales were different from how the market was doing for XRP. At the same time, XRP went up from the end of October to the middle of November, and the activities of XRP whales were very similar to what happened with the cryptocurrency. Specifically, during that time, there were 277,000 addresses having at least 10,000 XRP, which was the most ever. This happened as XRP took back the 0.6 level, having lost it in August. Also, during that time, the number of transactions worth more than 1 million XRP hit a new high that hadn't been seen in the previous 3 months. The market tracker showed that there were 255 trades of this size in the last few days of October. Even though there were short-lived upward trends in XRP earlier this month, these whales' actions slowed down. One specific change was that whale movements became less noticeable, like when XRP was worth 0.5 euro. This happened from November 26 to December 14. After that, XRP went back down to around the 0.6 mark. Still, XRP whales have been buying more XRP over the last week, which could be a sign that they are waiting for the asset's next rise. The fact that big global banks have put a lot of money into XRP according to data from BCBS is a strong sign that institutions are becoming more interested in cryptocurrencies, especially in cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are more well known. I see this as a big sign that XRP has a lot of promise. To begin, the fact that XRP is the third most popular altcoin among banks, with an investment value of about $205 million, shows how useful and valuable it is seen to be in the financial world. This investment isn't a small amount. It would be like an experienced investor putting a big chunk of their money into a new, high-potential shares. The fact that XRP focuses on cross-border payment solutions and has ties to the banking industry probably played a big part in why financial companies are so interested in it. Also, the fact that these investments are happening all over the world, from Europe to North America and other places, shows how interested people are in digital assets and how they could change the current financial system. The BCBS study is one of the first to try to gather information on how much cryptocurrency banks own, but it comes with a warning about possible biases and poor data quality. This is a smart move, since the crypto market is still new and changing quickly, which can cause problems with reports and valuation. It's like when people first started writing about how much internet companies were worth, when figures were all over the place. The latest actions of whales to gather XRP, as reported, are another interesting part of how the market works. When whales buy in this way, it can have a big effect on the market. All of this accumulation shows that these buyers are optimistic about XRP, possibly because they think its price will go up soon. In conclusion, the investments made by global banks in XRP and other cryptocurrencies, as revealed by the BCBS, along with the activities of whales, show that institutional and large investors